Hi guys! Ito nga pala si Miss Jane, ang sosyalerang investor ng Cavite. Hindi lang siya investor, TikTokerist din siya.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Habang nagbabrowse sa social media, kasama ang kanyang ate si Villa, may napanood silang magandang selling ads ng Minami Residences.
Welcome to Minami Residences, presenting Hana Unit.
It is located in Barangay Santiago, Arnaldo Highway, General Trias, Cavite, and 32 minutes away from Mall of Asia and NAIA, plus 5 minutes away from ongoing SM General Trias.
We have clubhouse with event, halls and swimming pools, open space playground, basketball courts, schools, Church of the Holy Family, and commercial establishments.
This unit is a two-story house with a lot area of 80 square meters and 54 square meters as per area. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, 2 car garage, and a service area.
The reservation is 25,000, the total down payment is 580,000, and the monthly amortization is 28,000 for 20 years.
Financing options are through bank, good for 20 years. In-house financing is good for 10 years. Spot cash with 10% discount and deferred cash, good for 24 months with no interest.
The basic requirements are 2 valid ID, 1x1 picture, proof of residency, and proof of income.
Again here at Minami Residences.
Location? Check.
Amenities, check.
House features, check.
Price, check. Financing option, check. Basic requirements, check.
Schedule your free house viewing today!
Matapos mapanood ang magandang selling video ng Minami Residences, sakto si Agent Ria nag-follow up.
Pagod na siya, yes.
Yes.
Sige ka na. Tulad na tayo, bukas.
Tulog na tayo.
Kinabukasan, si Agent Ria kasama si Agent Danica at si Buyer Jane kasama ang kanyang ate si Villa ay nagkita sa house viewing site ng Minami Residences. During house viewing, nilibot nila ang turnover unit ng Hana at ang dress-up unit nito. After nila maglibot, finally, na-meet ko din sila. Ako nga pala si Eric, one of the unit managers of Easy Homes.
A few moments later.
After 30 minutes of discussion, si Buyer Jane ay nakapili na ng corner lot unit. Gamit ang portal access, siya ay nag-fill up ng kanyang information and yes, she officially reserved the unit.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Great morning! This is Shane from ProFriends. May I talk to Miss Jane Palomo?
Yes, speaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like to congratulate you for purchasing a property Hana unit here at Minami Residences.
Talaga? Sure ba to? Kala ko na naginip lang ako.
Yes, ma'am. Totoo po. Kaya congratulations po ulit.
Eh,